In this video, we'll set up a text and image component from scratch. We'll also edit the text and the image so you can see how the AEM component interface looks for both these procedures. When we add an image, we will use one that has already been uploaded to our site's storage space, called the Digital Asset Manager, or DAM. On your own site, please remember to make sure the image you want to use is already uploaded to your DAM. Further information on adding files to the DAM occur later in the AEM training sequence. For your convenience, you should now be able to see a link to our video support for adding assets to the DAM popping up in this video. We'll start by adding text to the component. Setting up or editing text begins in the same way as in a standard text editor. Click the component to produce the toolbar, then select the pencil. Type directly into the component, or go to full screen to add or paste text. Next, we'll add an image. Toggle the side panel open and find the image you want to use. Drag and drop it directly onto the component. Toggle the side panel closed again. So far, so good, right? Now let's configure the image. Click on the component to produce the toolbar and select the wrench. Under the Image tab, you may add a caption. Under the Accessibility tab, please add brief text that describes the image. Under the Style and Image Options tab, let's take a look at the three fields towards the bottom of this window. Image Size tells Adobe how much to compress the image your viewers see. Please change it to original and always use original. Image Position lets you choose whether the image is left or right with text wrapping around it, or if it is displayed full size above the text. Next, you'll want to choose a screen size, which really means the proportion of the component width that the image will occupy. You can see the choices are in fractions: 1/3, 1/2, or 3/4. Be aware that if you specified top for image position, the screen size field will be irrelevant because the image above the text will be the same width as the text. Please feel free to experiment with the other fields as you follow along. When you've configured the image, click the check mark in the upper right corner. Next, we'll cover editing the text. This often confuses website editors because of AEM's user experience. Let's have a look at what happens when we click the pencil to edit the text. We need to choose Insert or Edit Text, or Edit Image. We're going to choose Insert or Edit Text. Next, you'll see the text appear to duplicate, so please switch to full screen. Now you can edit the existing text, or delete it all, or copy and paste, etc. Minimize the full screen, and then click the checkbox to save. Finally, you might want to crop the image. Minor crops to images in the component can be achieved by selecting the Edit tool, and then choosing Edit Image. Select the Crop tool, then use the blue dots to adjust the grid lines and crop the image. The component may then either save itself, or you will need to click the check to save. Remember to publish your changes when you're finished. Thanks for sticking with us for this tutorial. Technology Services is here to support you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email lsatechnologyservices@umich.edu.